Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my second Beebeecraft tutorial, and I'm using this little package that I had here, this container. It came with some cage fittings and some beads and some lava beads I shared with my unboxing. And it came with some earring findings and other doodads there. And what I did notice is this one tells me that I can make 3 necklaces and 10 earrings. However, I didn't receive these earring pieces and this necklace piece. What I did receive was, it's more like a heart shaped, or just a different shape. It's not really heart, but this one is more round and this one is not. And I only received 3 and I should have received 7, so I am missing a few pieces there, but that's okay. And I also received these pieces here, and they're all crooked, all of them. I mean, they're all have bent shapes and everything, but because I have my tool, I'll be able to straighten them out somewhat. And I do have some of my own on hand, so I just wanted to give an honest review on the product that I have, where it was missing a few pieces, and as well as those pieces being a little uneven, but that's okay because I can still work with it and I can fix it and make everything look perfect. So what I did is they came with these cage pieces. Now in the picture, they look a little smaller for the earrings and bigger for the necklace, but all 3 were the same size. So the earrings are quite large. So this is my project share just to show you what I created using their reference guide on the sheet. So that is my earrings. They're pretty cute. And then I did a necklace, but I did the necklace a little different than what was on the instructions there. And what I chose was just to put 1 of the beads in, and then I just put the finding on top, and I joined 2 chains together as opposed to 1. I found the 1 chain a little short. I do have chain on stock, but I do like my necklaces to be longer. So this actually is a nice long one. I was going to put in my lava bead, but it's a little small for this cage. The lava bead would have been really great had these been smaller for the earrings, but I can use these blue ones in, say, like these ones here. But I'm going to choose a different color to use for these. So I'm going to share with you a tutorial on how I'm going to create some necklace and earrings with what I have here. So these ones are really easy to use, and I really like how you can just open them up, stick that in, and close it. That's how simple this is. And then you have your, let's get these open here. Broke my thumbnail, so I don't have nails over there. Nail on that one thumb. All right, so all I'm going to do is take my jump ring, and I'm just going to open it up. Let me find my other pliers that I like to use. And you just twist one away, one towards, and we can just go straight through. If I'm going to do this as an earring, which is what I'm going to do with this one, I'm just going to take my earring finding or loop on the other side, close it up, and that's it. That's pretty easy for an earring, and it's super adorable, especially with the pink. It did come with other colors, so I could use red if I wanted, blue, and there's green, and there's several different lava beads in there, but I really think the pink is nice and subtle. So that's one. And let's go for the other one. And I'm going to do the necklace. So I'll just make my other earring. but I'm going to do the necklace with the lava bead. And I'm going to share, put some lava bead oil on it and just show you that, you know, you can change it up. It'll smell really nice, and, you know, it'll be super, you know, if you put on the stuff that'll help you being less stressful, or the scent that you really like, it's perfect. So there we go. Oop, and there's your earrings. They are bigger, but I think they're super adorable. So that was the earrings, and that's how super easy this kit is to use. Again, you could change anything on the inside. I could add a bead up top here just to make it a little different. So you could do all kinds of things. So I'm just going to take the other one that is this, you know, the same one, but I'm going to make the necklace. Now this necklace will be a little shorter because I'm just going to use what they provided. So like so. And I have different different scents that we could use. I have coconut. Oh, I actually have a whole bunch of them in here, but I really like the orange. Orange is really nice. The coconut is nice. You can get a perfumey smell. There's so many different, the lily, there's so many different smells that you could do. This one is a little bit more open, and all you have to do is, well, really, I like to put it on my finger like that, and you can just rub it on, or you can even put it in a little bowl or the lid. I don't think you need a lot. So some people are, you know, scent sensitive. Like there's certain smells that I can't use or be around, like strong perfume. So that's it. Oh, that smells so nice. And then I put the lava bead in, close it up. It won't touch your skin, so that'll be good. It won't ruin your clothing. And all you're going to do is take another jump ring, open it. Sometimes there's different ways you can hold it, but just trying to make this tutorial really quick for you. So like so. If I want, I could just put the chain in. I'm not going to loop it on a hole because I want it to find its own centerpiece instead of me trying to find it and, you know, making it where it's supposed to be. So these jump rings are really easy to, where the pendant is so big, the chain or the jump ring makes it a little bit more challenging. So there we go. And that's it. That's all I have to do. Just get it up here on the top. There we go. And that's it. That's all you have to do. And it comes with the lobster clasp on the end. And I took the other loop off, so let's add a loop on there. I took it off for my other necklace there. I'm just going to stick that one on like so. Twist it back into shape. There we go. Lobster clasp on. And that's how quickly it is to use this. And you can change the beads that are in it. You can change the color. You can change the scent. Usually the scent, depending on how much you put on there, will last about 24 hours. So this little package is perfect for gifts. I mean, for Christmas, you could order one. And I mean, I got one set here, another set, and I'm gonna make another set with this. Now, I could have kept this to one chain, so that would have been my third necklace there, but I wanted to have it longer and chose to use 2 chains. So you can change the pattern to whatever way you wish. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I'll put all the information down for Beebeecraft below. They have a program going on right now where if you have over 100 subscribers, you can participate in this, and you can choose items, and I'll put the link to the items that I chose if you're interested in doing any of that. I do not get paid for any of the links and all that, so you don't have to worry about that. This is something, you know, it's completely free for me just to share my tutorial and unboxing. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next video.